my unboxing video. Today we're gonna open the MB.04 Mutant Ninja Turtles, Leonardo Michelangelo.
All right, let's open it up. Ooh, which one do you like better? You like those? And then what do you have on your feet? What do you got on your feet?
Michelangelo.
No,
Donatello and Raphael.
okay. And those are the Leonardo and Michelangelo. Which one you like better?
This.
You like the Michelangelo and Leonardo better? Why? So you like orange and blue better than red and purple?
Yeah, because purple is a girl color.
No, it's not. Purple is the color of a king. It's majestic. You didn't know that? That's royalty color.
Royalty.
Yeah.
Royalty.
Royalty.
You know that?
All right, just give us a close-up. Let's start with, so which one you want to start off with? You want to start with Michelangelo or Leonardo? Okay, so put Michelangelo to the side and give me a 360 and go over the details. All right, okay. So let's start with the tongue. What do we got on the tongue? Okay.
So what's the best? The tongue is blue and it has sharp colors and it has good white things. In the back.
Okay, wait. Let's finish. Let's talk about the tongue. Let's go back to the tongue.
And the tongue says, tongue says L for Leonardo.
Okay.
And one of one.
Okay. And then what else you got on the tongue?
And we got the Leonardo mask.
Okay. Okay. Good job. All right. What's part of the shoe you want to talk about next? Oh, okay. And this is important back. The back of the shoe is very important. All right, let's go over the details on the back.
Let's see.
Okay.
So it says Ninja Turtle MELO, and you see the mellow, and you see the katanas.
Okay.
And the Puma
cat. Okay.
And you can see the one of one.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Good job. You're doing a good job, buddy. All right, let's go to the side.
Okay, and you can see the bandana, the blue colors.
Okay.
Wave.
And then let's talk about this bandana. You know what this bandana?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like the form strip, right? That form strip, the swoosh that the Puma has. Okay. All right.
And then the bottom it got the alien one.
Okay.
Not from here, and they kind of got the fire thing.
Yeah, got the flames.
And
okay.
And also like on the other side they got the Nickelodeon slime thing.
Oh, yeah, it's got the slime, yeah. And it
also
says one of one on that side, and then on this side it says love, and then here it says rare. And then the number one, you see all these details? Yeah. And here it says Dip. You know who Dip is? That's Mello's dog. His dog's name, Dip. Yeah. And then it has his logo, the one with the wings. All right, let's look at Leonardo.
Michelangelo.
Oh, my bad, Michelangelo. Well, everything else is the same except it's orange, but let's go on the detail on the tongue. What's on the, show me on the tongue.
It has the Michelangelo wings, the one, and it got the Dip. And they got the Michelangelo and mask, and for Michelangelo one. Okay. One of one.
Okay.
And they got.
Oh, you know another detail we forgot? Right here too. It says not from here. Right there too. There's so many details on this.
And then they got the bandana, and they got not from here.
Okay.
And they got love.
Okay.
And they got teenage. Mellow, and they got the nunchucks, and they got the Puma cat. Okay. And they got the one of one.
Okay, yeah, you're right. You're doing a good job, buddy.
And they got the nothing here. Okay. And they got the green, the orange colors and green. And it says one alien, not from here. Okay. So
it's the same ones like the other shoe?
And rare.
Okay. Okay. So.
And we got the Dip. We got the Nickelodeon slime.
Okay. So what do you give it? What score do you give it? 2 thumbs up?
No, 3.
3? Oh man.
Not 2. 4. 4 thumbs up.
Oh, okay. And then we got mellows on the feet, and right there, put them next to each other. Oh, okay. Let's pull these down a little bit. Okay. Look at that. Okay.
Now I got the collection.
Yep, you got the collection.
I'm the king of the collection.
Yep. Happy birthday, my boy. That's your birthday present. Good job. Happy birthday.
Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my video. Bye.